So students, after completion of oxidation numbers of transition elements, then today we are going to discuss about magnetic properties and the color properties of the solutions. So now first one is magnetic properties. Magnetic properties. So magnetic property is it depends on the substances are attracted by magnetic field. So based on the substances are attracted by magnetic field, substances are classified into two types. One is diamagnetic. What is a diamagnetic? Diamagnetic substances. So second one is paramagnetic substances. What is a paramagnetic substances? So paramagnetic substances also considered as ferromagnetic substances. What is a ferromagnetic? Ferromagnetic substances. So ferromagnetism is the one of the paramagnetic substance. So now, what are the diamagnetic substances? Diamagnetic substances means the substances not attracted by magnetic field. Substances, what is it? Substances not attracted by magnetic field. What is it? Not attracted by magnetic field. So the substances are called as diamagnetic. So now what are paramagnetic or ferromagnetic substances? Substances are attracted by magnetic field. What is a magnetic field is called paramagnetic or ferromagnetic. So actually diamagnetic substances are attracted by magnetic field. Why? Because diamagnet not attracted by diamagnetic, because diamagnetic substances has no unpaired of electron. Actually magnetic nature is depends on what is a magnetic nature depends on magnetic nature depends on what is a depends on unpaired of electrons. What is a unpaired of electrons? Magnetic nature depends on unpaired of electrons. Unpaired of electrons. If the substance, if the substance consists of at least one unpaired of electron, substance contains at least at least one unpaired of electron, at least one unpaired of electron, at least it contains one unpaired of electron, the substances are considered as paramagnetic substances. What is a paramagnetic substances or ferromagnetic substances? So now the substances does not contains what is a does not contains does not contains unpaired of electrons. Unpaired of electrons is called what is a diamagnetic substances. Okay, diamagnetic substances. Okay, now actually magnetic momentum magnetic momentum calculated in the units of Bohr magnetic units. So then magnetic momentum, what is mu s or mu bm? So mu s magnetic momentum equal to what is the formula? under root of n into n plus 2. What is n into n plus 2? So it is by the using of this formula to calculate the magnetic momentum, wherein mu s is the magnetic. What is the magnetic momentum? Magnetic momentum. So magnetic momentum equal to under root of n into n plus 2. So then its units is Bohr magneton units. So Bm means it is the Bohr magneton units. Bohr magneton units. So wherein Bm equal to Bohr. What is a Bohr magneton? What is a Bohr magneton units? What is a Bohr magneton units? So 1 Bm equal to 1 Bohr magneton equal to 9.273 into 10 power minus 34. 10 power minus 34 joule into Tesla inverse. Joule into Tesla inverse. So then how to calculate the Bohr magneton units? Bohr magneton equal to EH by 4 pi mc. Okay. Bm equal to EH by 4 pi mc. Wherein E is the charge of electron, H is the Planck constant, m is the mass of electron, c is the light velocity. Okay, charge of electron, Planck's constant, mass of electron, and c is the light velocity. What is light velocity? So now in this formula, n equal to number of unpaired electrons. What is the number of unpaired electrons? Number of unpaired electrons. Okay, so it is the calculation of magnetic momentum by the using of under root of n into n plus 2 bm. N into n plus 2 bm. So now let us consider magnetic nature of the some substances with respect to unpaired of electron. With respect to unpaired of electron. So now, for example, let us consider some elements, transition elements. Actually, most of the S and P block compounds are diamagnetic substances. What is a diamagnetic substances? But the hydrated compounds of transition elements, are what is uh, paramagnetic substances. What is a paramagnetic substances? So now, for example, what is for example scandium plus 3. Scandium plus 3. So scandium plus 3. Okay, scandium plus 3. It means it lose of 3 electrons. So what is magnetic momentum of scandium plus 3, and it is a diamagnetic or paramagnetic. So now the scandium atomic number is 21. That is the atomic number of scandium 21. So its electronic configuration based on nearest noble gas, that is argon 18. It is 4s2. It is 3d1. What is 4s2? 3d1. So scandium lose of 3 electrons, minus 3 electrons. So it is the scandium plus 3. So 3 electrons loses from S and D. So then scandium plus 3 electronic configuration, argon 18, 4s0, and it is also 3d0. So in scandium plus 3 has no unpaired of electrons. So then therefore number of unpaired electrons n equal to 0. What is n equal to 0? So n equal to 0. So now magnetic momentum mu s equal to under root of n into n plus 2. What is n into n plus 2? Wherein n equal to 0, so then mu s equal to 0. So scandium plus 3 has no magnetic momentum. So no unpaired of electron. So no unpaired of electron, its magnetic nature is a diamagnetic. What is it? Its magnetic nature is a diamagnetic substance. Okay. For example, let us consider chromium. What is a chromium plus 2? What is a chromium plus 2? Or chromium plus 2. So now second example is, so chromium plus 2. So chromium plus 2. So chromium atomic number is 24. Its electronic configuration based on nearest noble gas, that is argon 18, and it is 4s1, it is 3d5. Exception electronic configuration 4s1 3d5. So now chromium lose of 2 electrons, so minus 2 electrons, it is converted into Cr plus 2. So now configuration of Cr plus 2 is argon 18. One electron loses from S subshell and another electron loses from D subshell. So now Cr plus 2 configuration argon 18 4s0 3d4. So now 4s0 no electrons. So now 3d4. Actually D subshell consists of 5 orbitals 1 2 3 4 and also what is a 5. So it is 1, it is 2, it is 3 and it is 4. It is 4. So now D subshell consists of how many unpaired of electrons? 1 2 3 4. So now number of unpaired electrons equal to 4. Number of unpaired electrons equal to 4. So now magnetic momentum mu s equal to under root of n into n plus 2 bm. N into n plus 2 bm. So now mu s equal to under root of 4 into 4 plus 2. So then mu s equal to 4 plus 2 6 into 4 24. So then root 24. So mu s equal to 4.9 bm. So it is a magnetic momentum. It contains a 4 unpair of electrons. Its magnetic nature is paramagnetic. అయిపోయింది